Welcome back, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy last Monday of 2025, and we're treated to a gorgeous sunset out here in Helena. We had a pretty nice one last night as well, but we are a little warmer than last night. We're at 37 in the downtown Helena area. Great Falls, beautiful sky out there as well. 38. We had a high of about 42 degrees earlier on today. The rest of the state's holding on to the 20s and 30s right now. Some teens up into northeast Montana. That's been the colder spot and will continue to be the colder spot through the rest of this week. Wind not so bad today, although areas like Cut Bank and Great Falls gusting to about 20 to 30 miles an hour at times through this afternoon. Wind will stay relatively light as compared to the last few weeks over the course of this week, slightly picking up on Friday due to a weather disturbance entering the area. Now, the radar is clear right now, just a few upper level clouds passing through. The rest of the United States, though, can't say the same story for the Northeast. New York City over the weekend had over half a foot of snow, and more snow to the Northeast, especially parts of New York and Pennsylvania, are on the way. So a winter wonderland up there. Not really a winter wonderland here. We have a little bit of snow remaining on the ground in Helena, but that will go away through the rest of this week as temperatures warm. A little bit of cloud cover overnight tonight moving through. Mostly clear skies expected by tomorrow afternoon, though. And then we will have a little bit of a Chinook arch cloud developing by early Wednesday morning. Everybody's dry aside from maybe a snow shower or two up near the Glasgow area overnight tonight. Let's look a little bit further into the future because that's where we're going to have to find some active weather here. We'll have some cloud cover building in on Thursday, and by Friday afternoon, could be looking at a few snow showers into northwest Montana, maybe along the Rocky Mountain Front and Continental Divide as well. At least in the lower elevations should remain mostly dry. Some nice rain into the mountains of Idaho there, but by Saturday, we will have a little bit better of a chance here to see some moisture moving into the Helena and Great Falls area, maybe a few raindrops around Great Falls, a rain-snow mix in the Helena area, some heavier snow off into the mountains of western Montana. So that's going to be the next good shot we have to see some precipitation. We'll be dry through most of this week and relatively mild as well, as a ridge of high pressure kind of stays stationary over the western United States due to something what's known as a Rex block, a center of low pressure over the southern Pacific right here, high pressure over much of the west here, including Montana. That blocking pattern kind of keeps everything in place. So colder air over the east, more mild air over the west. So here's the forecast for tonight. A lot of us dropping down into the 20s and 30s here, even some teens and maybe some single digits up into northeast Montana as well. But overall, a warmer night than the past two nights that we've had. So tomorrow, temperatures will warm close to 40 degrees here in Helena under mostly clear skies. We'll be at about 47 in Great Falls with a little bit of a breeze out there, 10 to 20 miles an hour through the day tomorrow. So here's the next 7 days for Helena. Not really much going on our 7-day, which is a nice break from what we've had through most of the month of December with an active pattern with an atmospheric river and windstorms. Wind will stay relatively light in Helena through the next few days with temperatures warming into the mid 40s. We'll be in the 50s at times in Great Falls as we head into 2026.